Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a Halloween video since it is October. So basically, Easy's gonna rate my Halloween costumes. Hopefully he's better at rating this time than last time, because last time he sucked. What? And I feel like he couldn't figure out a rating and he kept changing it. So hopefully it'll be better. I'm gonna start off with like my least favorite, I guess, and then go on. But I guess it's like not really, but sort of. But yeah. So hopefully you're better at rating.
Hi guys, it's been a long time.
It's been like a week.
Hi.
But anyways, let's get into the outfits. I have like 4, so hopefully it won't take too long. Hopefully this video won't be too long, depending on how long Easy talks, because he talks so much. Okay.
Okay. Jasmine about to come out the bathroom right now. Number 1 outfit of the day. Jasmine!
Not my favorite, but this is the first one. Okay. Okay. I hope you guys can see it. Do you know what it is?
I look like a panda bear to me.
Right. So now you have to rate it. This one isn't my favorite, but you know, all these outfits I put together, so it's kind of like I rated it. But it's cute. Yeah, no?
Yeah, that's hot.
Okay, so what do you rate it? I'm not gonna turn around because he thinks I have a flat butt.
And that's her opinion.
Pancake.
Why are you putting words in my mouth? Oh, she said, you see? I'm gonna show it. You see?
Well, I have a tail.
Oh, she said a tail.
Yeah. So this is the first outfit, and then my shoes are just white shoes.
Is that for Halloween?
Yeah.
Oh.
What does it look like?
That's like for like an adult Halloween party,
Well,
right?
we are adults.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like.
Cause you can't wear that around no kids.
Oh, I guess not.
The little boys gonna be like, ah. But yeah, I like it. I'll give it an 8.
An 8. And you're gonna keep it at an 8, or are you gonna change it?
It depends. If something come out there that look better.
So yeah, this is the first one. I'm gonna come closer because you guys can see the hat.
What's the highest rating?
Like it's cute. A 10. A 10 is the.
Oh, we're gonna make the highest a 12 because
Yeah.
that 8 is kind of close to 10.
So basically, it's just shorts, a crop top, and then shoes. But it's nothing special. And then I got this panda hat. I think the hat was like $10. So.
Yeah, but y'all not up close like I'm up close.
But yeah, so this is the first one. So I'm gonna go on to the next one. Yeah, so this is an 8. He gave it an 8.
Girl, I hope you take self-defense classes.
Oh my gosh. What if he watches the video? I can't. I can't. Okay, next one.
Cause you gonna need them lessons.
No.
Alright, y'all.
Oh my
That's a
God,
7. Alright, y'all. So, y'all know how I do it, yeah. But she about to come out with outfit number 2. Jasmine, you ready? Oh.
You see? Okay. It's basically almost the same, like the bottom part. But yeah. Can you guess what I am?
Yo, girl, you a ninja?
Yeah. Literally, I wore the same thing with the panda, but I just changed it to like a hoodie. And then I have like thigh highs, so.
Come on, girl.
Yeah. I hope you guys can see. Can you see?
What's that? Huh? Nothing.
I think it's cute. Yeah? I literally got these from Amazon. They were like $3.
Yo, girl, you want an Assassin's Creed?
And then I got these from Spirits or whatever. And then, yeah. So what do you rate this? I hope you guys can see. Literally all black.
Can't no little kid see that neither, right?
Why?
A grown-up party?
Grown up. All this is grown up. All of it.
Hell no.
My mask is all falling off.
That's like an 8.9.
So it's better than the panda.
Yeah, our panda is 7.9.
So you changed it.
It's a 7.9.
Why did you change it?
And I see you come out with this. What fuck you talking about this? Huh? Oh.
It's okay. But yeah, I think it's cute. Oh yeah, this is what it is. I hope you guys can see my boots. Yeah. So What?
Hey, girl. About to cut that camera off.
So you give this an 8?
That's an 8.9.
8.9. But the other one's a 7 now.
I'm drooling it. Come on, Jamo.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the next one. It's a lot with his mask though.
Bruh. She look like she about to beat up all the Ninja Turtles. Hey, Jamo.
What?
Can you rub a bank with that one? Oh my!
I know, it's like so freaking hot, but yeah, this is the other one. Can you tell what I am? I've always wanted to dress like this, so
cop.
I'm super excited. It's literally a police officer. And I only got these because these ones were cheaper. The fuzzier ones were cheaper. So what do you rate it? This is what it looks like. You really can't wear underwear because you'll see it, so just an FYI. Yeah.
Well, you can wear underwear.
You can, but you can see it.
What's it?
It's like, it sounds like bare skin when you, right? It does.
But okay, you got your 9.2.
Why don't you do even?
No, because the
9.2?
heels gave it the 0.2.
Oh, I didn't get my toes in, so I'm not gonna show you guys all that.
I don't even be messing with the heels, but they gave it
Really?
9.2. Yeah, I don't.
Why?
Ain't like we going out to eat dinner or some shit. Like we go out to a fancy restaurant. Girls be wearing heels at the club, hurting their feet.
Yeah, I don't wear heels.
I don't understand that. We just dancing.
But the stress is that. I like it. It's hot. Don't get me wrong, it is super hot.
For real?
Yeah, like I feel sweaty.
You naked in this?
No.
Alright, okay, cause you will sweat, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause it's like,
Wee. Damn, happy girl. Platinum.
cause I'm a police officer.
That's real silver?
I don't think so. This is what it looks like. I think
Yeah.
it's cute.
Huh?
It was literally, I think, $3. This.
That was $3?
Yeah.
Damn, girl, you.
What? Well, let me know what you guys think about this outfit. So I have one more.
Oh, wee.
Well, hopefully it's a 10. The next one.
I like a cop.
So yeah, I'll be back. Hopefully it doesn't take forever.
I'll be back.
Shut up.
Jasmine, you ready? Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, well, I can't show like my back half.
Oh, Lord.
Oh my god, that probably hurts so bad. No, I can't like show this part because the skirt is too short, but yeah, this is.
Jasmine.
But my ass is out, so that's why I'm like trying not to be on camera.
Oh, don't. You ain't gotta show. You ain't gotta show all your. You will wear that? Oh, no,
yeah.
you can't wear that out.
I know. But yeah, I hope you guys can see. It's a schoolgirl if you didn't know.
That's a 10.
Yeah?
That's a 10.5. Walk. Get up close to the camera. Talk to him. Tell him where you got the ruler from.
The what? The ruler?
Yeah, tell him where you got the ruler from.
It's literally just a ruler. You can get it anywhere. Walmart, Target.
Tell him where you got the...
I don't remember where I got this from. I hope you guys can see because I know my glasses are glaring.
Oh.
What?
Hey.
I know, that's why I said I can't wear this out. So it's a 10?
That's 11.
Yay! I'm glad I got a good score.
Okay.
I had to take off my contacts, that's why. These are my real glasses, guys, if you didn't know I wear glasses. So that's all my outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed and got like ideas of like what you guys can wear to like the club or whatever. But I don't know if you can wear this to the club because it's a lot. It's like too much.
She not getting in the club.
I'm trying not to show my glasses because it's like glaring with the ring light. So
well, she not getting in the club with that on. I don't care.
I think you could.
Well, yeah, you could. But you gonna need them self-defense lessons.
Oh my god.
For real.
Yeah, I felt like Easy probably should have done costumes too, but he didn't. But we're gonna do more like October Eve videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do you have anything to say?
Hello
because
guys.
he always wants to talk. I can't say.
Jasmine is always hiding me, okay? Like,
no, I'm not.
if you see her in the video, I'm not in it. I'm in the basement.
No, you're not. Why would you say that?
Cause Jasmine, you always trying to hide me.
Back in the basement. No, I'm just kidding. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.